Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you which fuse to check in case defroster is not working. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Now the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible right here. To remove the cover, you will have 4 black tabs, 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. So you want to press them and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the defroster fuse, it's a fuse number 14, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here in the middle of the fuse box. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.